Hello guys, welcome to Devilartstudio Tattoo Learning Channel. Because my job is to teach you how to draw a tattoo. It's very simple. All you need is a tattoo machine. This is a tattoo machine which has a prefixed need cartridge which you can change and put a new cartridge. This can be like you can put a new cartridge in it, and then you can attach the machine and start the drawing. First, you put a trace. When you put a trace on the skin, as you can see in the video, you draw simple lines on an 8 voltage, so that it could be voltage can be 7 or 8, depends on the skin. It could be in a brilliant way. Try it on a pumpkin or an orange first, so that the speed and everything goes accordingly. With a lot of tries, once you get hold of the thing, the tattoo machine, you can make good tattoos. And the most important thing for this is you need to have this drawing skills up to. You don't need to learn a lot of drawing, but eventually you will. With the consistency, you will learn to draw nice and fair lines, and not just lines. You will be able to achieve perfection in lining of your tattoo. This needle should not be too deep to injure the skin. It should be going to the third layer of skin, where you can not give the client pain, because a lot of people, what they do is their biggest mistake is to draw lines too deep, which can cause red irritation, and you cannot draw the tattoo accordingly because the client will face a lot of pain. So in order to accomplish that, what you need to do is you have to go smooth. And at the start, you have to learn it on the pumpkin or orange, but for first, when you get a hold of that thing, then you come on the skin. You need a trace paper. You draw the trace and apply assessed material on the skin and apply the trace on it. Once, let the trace dry accordingly, and then start with your ink inking on the skin, which is very important first. Once you skin start inking on the skin, you'll be able to learn how to do the shading and coloring. Coloring is like you have to do the circles in a fine line, so maximum area is uh, done on that umbrella. So in this video, as you can see, this tattoo artist is like shading, and he's not actually coloring the area to make it a bit, giving it a shade of black tint. He can color it completely as well, but just to make it look a bit 3D, what he's trying to do is he's trying to make it look in a very artistic position. This tattoo can look good if you it's solid black, but people have their choice. Each client would have a different choice. For example, somebody would want it to be colored in a dark way. Somebody would want it to be in a lighter shade. So every client has their own preference. So once you are like done with this, you need to bandage that area and tell the client that the tattoo will take around 30 days to heal, and you have to apply certain creams on it in order to securely heal it. Since it's open wound, bacteria importation can be there, so you need to apply and clean and sanitize that area. Subscribe my channel for more tattoo learning skills. I'll be teaching you tattoo. Take care of yourself. This is Devilartstudio, and I'm Asif Sultan.